Hello everyone. In this topic of the Windows 11 course, we will see how to set up System Restore Point. System Restore Point is basically the Windows 11 feature which will take a snapshot of your Windows operating system with all the settings, the registry key settings, application configuration settings, update settings, all the settings related to the Windows operating system. It will take as a snapshot in case if you have ran into trouble after installing some application, you can always go back to the previous state. To access the system restore, I will click on start, then I will enter system restore. There is an option here, create a restore point. If I select create a restore point, first I need to configure the restore point. I'll select drive C drive and I'll say configure restore. I'll turn on the restore protection. I need to enable this particular option to turn on the system restore protection, and also I will keep 10 GB space for this. This is the recommended space for the restore points, and I will click on apply. So basically you are using this particular disk space to have the snapshots recorded. I will click on apply and click on OK. Now I'll be able to set up the system restore, and I will click on OK here. I will click on start. I will click on setting. Now I will search for system restore, create a restore point. If I select this option, system restore, it will give me the list of restore points which are configured. There is no restore points which are configured. So what I will do is I will create a restore point. We have already enabled the restore point for C drive. If I click on configure, this is already enabled. I will click on cancel. Then I will click on create. I can name this restore point. I will name it as snap01. And there is a restore point which is being created. So basically it is taking the snapshot of the current operating system, the settings, the registry keys, the application settings, everything. It is going to take the snapshot. If at all, if there is any problem later, we will be able to revert to this particular date and time. So basically it is taking some time to create the restore point. Let us wait for some time so that it finishes. So we can see the restore point has been successfully created. I can close this. Now I will click on system restore to see the restore point. I'll click on next. This is the restore point which has been created on this particular date. If I wanted to restore to this version, I can always come back here and click on next.